Utopia is a culture project that is made in association with Aarhus, being the European culture capital. Utopia has its home in Gellerup, which is a part of Aarhus. At the festival you will see and experience theatre, music, dance and sport on the highest level.
Utopia International Festival takes place at the 26th to the 30th of July 2017. The goal in the project is to create a meeting spot where you can explore and develop a new European multiculture.
Utopia is Greek and means a beautiful and lovely place.
It's a dream and a vision that drives Utopia. The dream is to create, over time, a place for new European multi-ethnic culture.
The multi-ethnic culture is path-breaking and forward-thinking. The leading theme in the project is the term rethink. Rethink means a dream about creating a beautiful place for everyone. The culture is key to gathering, exchange, appreciation and peace.
Utopia is and is going to be much more than the big full moon event. Utopia International Festival in July 2017.
Utopia started in the spring 2016. Utopia is a line of cultural events that is going to happen during 2016 and 2017 in Gellerup.
There has been many events during 2016 and there is many more planned for 2017. For example, the play Tro on Utopia stage and the play Tro, Håb og Lidenskab on Utopia stage.
Hello, my name's Emma, and here we've got the playground where Utopia has its festival, and here they put up tents, and then we have a festival where you can do theatre, music, and eat some food.